class. Myself Pallavi Anand. Today I am going to discuss social study for class 3. As we have discussed last 2 chapters before, today is the third chapter we are going to discuss, that is the food we eat. Food. Food is a very required items in our daily life. We need food for everything. We need food as a basic requirement. Food is the basic requirement of all living organisms for their growth, for their development, for their work, for their health, for everything. Food is the basic requirement. If we will not have food for 2 or 3 days, we will feel very weak. Do you feel that? If you are not having a good food for 2 or 3 days, you are feeling some weakness from inside. You cannot feel happy. You cannot feel energetic. So, food is a very basic requirement for humans or for the organism which live. Those who are living, they require food in their daily life. And we are not having food once a day. We are having our breakfast, we are having our dinner, we are having our lunch, we are having our evening snacks as well. We are taking food at equal interval. But as you know that in India, the weather are not as same as everywhere. Suppose it's raining at our place, it may not raining at another place. Like so, the food that grow in our field is different, varies from the food that grow in the different cities, because weather and climate are not same at every place at very same time. So the food that grow at different places are different. That's why we got the varieties of food. As in our land, at our land, we are not having apple trees. Have you seen apple tree here? No, we are not having. They are basically from the different state we are getting. Here we are having green vegetables. That very city may not have the green vegetables or fresh vegetables as we are having. So from place to place, the growth of food, vegetables, fruits are different. Understood? Now, so food, as it is very important in humans' life, it is a very important part of our life. Why do we need food? This is the basic topic we are going to discuss today. There's some important topics which we are going to discuss today are why do we need food? What are the 3 H's? Types of food, ways of cooking and balanced diet. What are the type of food? Fresh food, junk food, cooked food, fruits, veggies, drinks, these are the type of food. What are the ways of cooking? Foods are being used as cooked, or sometimes we are having food which are fried, sometimes we are having which is shallow roasted only, sometimes we are having food which are raw, sometimes we make it as a, we put it in a mixer grinder and make a juice of it. So, we take food in different forms, different ways. So, type of foods and ways of cooking. Then we will discuss what is balanced diet. The type of food which contain all the nutrients, the type of food which contain all the nutrients at the same time, that is balanced diet. As if you are going to have only rice, it will not give you energy much. It will give you only starch or carbohydrate. So, as we are having food, we are having rice plus pulses or non-vegetarian items as mutton, chicken, eggs. We also have salad in our meal. So that everything is in a proper amount give us balanced diet. So first topic which we are going to discuss today is why do we need food. Food is very much required, pretty much required for our daily routine, for our growth, for our development, to do our homework, to study. Our mind should be healthy, then only I can go for the studies. So, I can remember the things, only we have a strong memory power. And all these things come from the healthy diet, balanced diet or healthy food. energy. We eat food for energy. When we have a healthy food, then only we will get energy to do the work, to perform the work. We are playing, we are walking, we are dancing, we are reading, we are writing. So, for these all things we need energy, and this energy we get from the food. Food gives us protein. Food gives us protein. When we are gonna have eggs, when we gonna have milk, you remember your mother used to give milk at every night. Why? To give you protein diet. Protein is good for growth. Protein is good for growth and development of your body. Food repairs our body cells. Suppose you got hurt at your finger. Sometimes your fingers get cut. But after few months, few weeks, you will find that skin is repaired. Skin is as it was before. How it possible? Is it possible? Are you putting some extra skin there? No. Our body prepare a protein, our body prepares cells to recover that cut portion, and our body recover the cut part, and our skin get tighten up and repair it. Understood? So the food which we eat, they help to repair our body. Wherever we get hurt, we get cuts, we get wound, after some time it get recovered due to food, due to healthy food which we are having. Food also protects us from diseases. As you have seen that if you are suffering from cold and cough, your mother used to give you kada and all. You are having tulsi leaves, some medicinal leaves to recover your cold and cough. So, it is very clear that food which we are having, which we eat, if you are having some other diseases also, if you are suffering from some minor disease, we will have increase our food quality to cover up with that disease. So food help us to cover ourselves, to make a cover beyond ourselves to fight from diseases. By having food, we increase our internal power, so we can fight with the diseases and we can recover very soon. Next, food makes us healthy. Healthy food makes our body very healthy. Healthy foods make our body healthy. Healthy food makes our mind healthy. Healthy food, if we are having a healthy food, we will be very healthy by nature as well. Food increase our immunity power. What is immunity? Immunity is the inner strength, inner power to fight from the diseases. So, when we are having food, we can fight from the disease. It makes having food can increase our immunity power. Immunity can be increased by the citrus food we are having. We are having citrus food. Citrus, you can say that fruits which having lime, oranges, these are the citrus food. Having a citrus in nature, they protect our body to fight with the disease and to make our body very healthy. So food help us to make our body immunity very strong. If our immunity is very strong, so we can fight from the diseases. Nowadays you are hearing coronavirus everywhere. So the doctor used to suggest us to have lime, to have oranges in our daily routine, daily food meal. So if you are having lime, oranges or citrus food, our immunity will boost up and we can fight against the coronavirus. So food also provides us many nutrients for the growth, development of our body. Food is very much required by the body. It provides energy, it provides protein, it repairs our body cell, it protects us from diseases, it makes our body healthy. Food make the immunity power very strong. Food provide us nutrients. So, as I have discussed, we hope you understand why the food is required by our daily routine. Food is required for the growth, for the development, for the playing, for the growing up, for doing homework, for everything which we do, food is required for that. Then only we having food only we will get energy to perform our work. So, in our food habit, we should develop 3H. 3H we should develop in our routine, daily routine. That is 3H are have food, habit of food, and healthy food. What are the 3H we should develop? Have food, habit of food, and healthy food. 3H we should develop in our daily routine to make our body very strong and very healthy. Have food. We should have food at quite interval of time. It doesn't mean that having food today we are having food at 7 a.m. in the morning. Tomorrow I will have food at 10 a.m. in the morning. Then day after tomorrow we will not have our breakfast. We will directly have our lunch. This is a very wrong process. We should decide a quite interval of time to have our food. If we are deciding at 7 a.m. then per day we will have some breakfast at 7 a.m. Then we gonna have lunch. We should take our lunch at 1 p.m. So per day, daily by daily we will try to have our lunch by 1 p.m. Then evening snacks by 3-4 p.m. we should have some evening snacks, some fruits, some salad, some juice to make our body boost up. At night we should have our dinner up to 8:30 or 8 p.m. or 8:30. So we should follow that time routine. We should follow that time routine of having food, having our meal at daily interval of time. But having food provide us strength and energy. Having food provide us strength and energy to do our daily work. If we will have food, then only we can go for our studies, we can write the things, we can learn the things, we memorize our work, we memorize our homework. If we are not having the food at a time, then we cannot do the work. Second is habit of food. Habit of food is energetic and stronger. Habit of food makes us energetic and stronger. We should have protein in our food. We should have meat, mutton, eggs, milk for the growth and development of our body. These habit of food makes our body strong and to fight from the diseases. Next is healthy food. Healthy food. What are the food that are healthy? That are milk, that are cereals, that are vegetables, that are green vegetables, leafy vegetables, salad, fruits, drinks, but not a cold drinks. That drinks must be made up of fresh fruits, curd, milk, buttermilk. These are the healthy food which make our body strong to fight from disease, that increase our body immunity power. So 3H which we have discussed now is a have food, habit of food, and healthy food. We should have our food at equal interval of time. We should take habit of food, that having habit of taking milk every day, habit of having water, quantity of water, 4 to 5 liter of water every day. This is the habit of food. We should have the habit of food of taking breakfast daily. We should not skip that meal that, oh, today is Sunday, we don't gonna have our breakfast. No, we should not do. Either Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, any day. We should have the meal, have the proper breakfast, proper lunch, proper dinner daily for the habit of food. They make our body stronger. Then healthy food. We should have some healthy diet in our food. Okay. Now, the second which we are gonna discuss is the types of food. We are having food, as we said, as I told you that we are having food in a form of boiled food, vegetables, leafy vegetables, salad, fruits, and drink, juice. Many things we are having in our meal. Sometimes we are having cooked food, sometimes we are having uncooked type food, that is sprouts we are having chaat and all. So different type of food which we are having, they give the different nutrients to our body. So the types of food which we have, they are fresh food, fresh fruits, cooked food and junk food. Once again, the types of food are fresh food. We are having fresh food as leafy vegetables, boiled food. These are the fresh food. Vegetables from our kitchen garden, or the healthy food which our mother used to cook. Less oil, less spices, but then also they are very tasty. So these are the fresh food which are cooked by at home. That are the not outside foods. They are cooked at home. They are cooked very hygienically at our home, and these are the fresh food. Fresh fruits. The second type of food is fresh fruit. As we are going to start our meal, we should have a bowl full of salad, bowl full of fruits without peeling up their skins. You will see many of them having apple and they used to peel off their skin, but that is not good. This apple, pear, the skin which we can have, the skin which is eatable, we should eat that food with that skin. But banana skin is not eatable, so we should peel it off. But the skin of a fruit that is eatable, as apple, pears, these should be eaten with their skins. They will provide fibers to our body. That is, skin should provide fibers to our body. Sometimes we should eat potato. You will find many of them will take off the skin of potatoes. Every time we should not take off the skin of the potato. Sometimes we should eat the skin of potatoes, because that skin will provide fibers to our body. That skin contains fibers which will make roughage and which will make the digestion part very smooth. So fresh fruit which we gonna have in our daily routine, which make our body very strong and very healthy. Citrus food also, as I said, fruit should be contain citrus, lime, oranges, that should be contained in our food to boost up our immunity. Cooked food. What the next is cooked food. Mother used to cook our food, our maid used to cook food for us. So the type of food which we used to have is cooked food. As you are having rice, you are having chapati, you are having many other things, mutton, non-veg. Cooked food make our food very easy to digest. You are eating the cooked food. If you will have a raw food and if you will have a cooked food, which food will be way more tastier? Obviously, yes, exactly. The cooked food is more tastier. Cooked food is quite tastier than having a raw one. If you gonna have a cabbage, if you are having a leafy vegetable as a cabbage, you will have a raw cabbage. It will not give you that much taste. But if you will cook cabbage with lots of spices and everything in it,